So here's your four equations that you'll have on the formula sheet. Let's look at them real quick. Let's see. The moving receiver. So this is a case where the source is stationary, making a wave with frequency f naught. It's vibrating at f naught. The wave has frequency f naught because the source isn't moving. But it hears a higher frequency. So the equation sheet has little pluses and minuses on it to let you know that it's higher or lower. And it's just the velocity of the receiver over the speed of sound, 343 meters per second. That'll be some small fraction, add it to 1, bigger than 1, times f naught, f is higher. If the receiver were moving away, or the ear, as I was saying, you were moving away, you'd have some speed that's moving away, again, VR. And this would be the formula. Same formula with a negative there. That's why you don't need to call it a negative v here. You don't put a negative number. It's moving away at 10 meters per second, you don't put negative 10 there. You just put 10. These are all speeds. That negative will take care of it. It'll cause this small number to be subtracted from 1, something less than 1 times f naught. The frequency will go down. As you would expect, if you're running away from the peaks in pressure, you won't hear them as fast. So the frequency will go down. Source, here's the two equations. We just derived it. If your source is physically vibrating at f naught, the wave in the air will actually be at a higher frequency, and the receiver will hear it at a higher frequency, is the way this is different. And that's why the formula is different. But same effect, if we have some speed here, this is a small number, subtract it from 1, something less than 1 in the denominator makes this over that, something less than 1 be bigger. And now, what if the source was moving away from the receiver? Turn that minus into a plus. And there you go, f minus is going to be lower. So that's the formulas. So really you can solve any problem using these. You might use 2 in a row, you might have to do all kinds of weird stuff to understand the physical situation. The problems are always based on using those four formulas.